Hello everyone, Guten Tag, and welcome back to our channel Lingo Buddy. In the previous lesson, we have learned about sizes and shapes. And in this episode, we will discover weekdays, months, and 4 seasons in Germany. Watch this video till the end because I will be explaining surprising facts related to this throughout the video. So, fangen wir an! The German word for the week is die Woche. Die Woche. And the plural is die Wochen. Die Wochen simply means weeks. Der Tag means a day. Der Tag means a day. And the plural is die Tage. Once again, die Tage. Montag, Monday. Montag, Monday. Dienstag is Tuesday. Dienstag is Tuesday. Mittwoch is Wednesday. Mittwoch is Wednesday. It literally means midweek. While learning, please pay attention to spellings as well. Make notes wherever it is necessary. Donnerstag, Thursday. Donnerstag, Thursday. Freitag, Friday. Freitag, Friday. Usually in Germany, grocery stores and retail shops are closed on Sundays, and that's why people wish each other Schönes Wochenende on Friday and Saturday. Schönes Wochenende means have a great weekend. Samstag or Sonnabend in some regions. Once again, Samstag or Sonnabend means Saturday. Sonntag is Sunday. Sonntag is Sunday. In German work culture, people get full days off on Saturday and Sunday, means no work on weekends. And lastly, das Wochenende. Das Wochenende means the weekend. Even if it's a weekend in Germany, people go for a walk in the nearest park, along with their partner, children, or with their dogs. That's the common practice here. And here is the summary for weekdays. Take a screenshot if necessary. And now, let's learn about months in German. Januar. Once again, Januar means January. Februar, February. Februar, February. März is March. März is March. April is April. April is April. Mai is May. Mai is May. Juni is June. Juni is June. Juli is July. Juli is July. August, August. August, August. September, it's September. September, it's September. October is October. October is October. November is November. November is November. December is December. December is December. If you have noticed, many German months have spellings similar to English. If you want to know more about German alphabets and their pronunciation, watch her previous video on German alphabets. You can find the link in the description box. And now, let's learn the most important part of German culture, that is 4 seasons. Die Jahreszeit. Die Jahreszeit means time of the year. And die Jahreszeiten is the plural. Once again, die Jahreszeit, die Jahreszeiten. Don't get confused about the new words. You will understand their meanings eventually. Our first season is der Frühling. Der Frühling means spring season. During spring, people enjoy walks, cycling, gardening, and celebrate Ostern, that is Easter festival, with egg hunts and family gatherings. Flowers bloom and the weather becomes warmer. Next season is der Sommer. Der Sommer, the warmest season with long sunny days. It's the favorite time for outdoor activities and holidays. Germans go on vacations, have barbecues in the garden, swim in the lakes, go for a hike, and attend music festivals and open air events. Next season is der Herbst. Once again, der Herbst is autumn or fall season. People celebrate the famous Oktoberfest. We will have separate video on what is Oktoberfest and how and why Germans celebrate it. So, do subscribe to our channel Lingobody. Germans visit wine festivals, carve pumpkins, and enjoy seasonal foods like pumpkin soup and roasted chestnuts. And the next season is der Winter. Der Winter, which is winter season. Germans visit Christmas markets, that is Weihnachtsmärkte. Once again, Weihnachtsmärkte. People celebrate Christmas and New Year's Eve, which is Silvester. Once again, Silvester. Drink Glühwein and enjoy winter sports. In this lesson, we have covered all weekdays, 12 months, and 4 seasons in German. This is the most important vocabulary as a part of daily conversation, weather forecast, or traveling in Germany. Here is the summary of what we have learned today. Take a screenshot if necessary. Our next video will be about how to build basic sentences in German. Until then, like, share, and subscribe to our channel Lingobody. Cheers!